Hi, this is Pratik Vedi from Karma Management, and today we had a conference, the CEO and FM Roundtable Conference at Chennai for AIFM. With me, we have Mr. Menon from Cholamandalam Group, and Mr. Menon, would you just like to ask what is your takeaway for today's session? You've been very active. Thank you very much. But what is the takeaway for the session today?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to say that the event was very professionally organized and well covered. And the takeaway from here is that, we can be closely coordinated as a single group from both ends and keep ourselves, in touch on the latest developments as well as the challenges that the industry is facing today. And maybe we should try and get more people from the facility management industry as such. The top players in the market today, we need to have representations from them also. These are the people who regularly interact with the end client or the end user, and it's always better to have somebody from that side also coming and sitting under one roof, and we all have a very professional discussion and deliberation on the developments and the execution of all these practices. Yeah. And the takeaway has been, of course, it's been very informative, and it's been a learning. And I think it's been a very good day for me, and I really appreciate the way it was conducted once again, and look forward to be part of such events again in future. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. In fact, just to add, when you talk about top players, when we have the annual conference that is next month, 16th March 2013, we have top players like JLL, Cushman, and Wakefield. We have Johnson Control India. We have CBRE. They all are participating in the event on the annual conference, and that's in Mumbai. And look forward to see you. Just last but not the least, any areas of improvement or which topic you like if you can just tell us which of the topic you like most. In fact, in this.
Yeah, in this today's coverage, yeah, I think the compliance part was very interesting, and because the compliance by itself is a very important criteria for all of us, and I think we need to have some more time and some more information on the compliance part, because irrespective of all those outsourcing that is happening in the industry today, the ball still comes back to the principal employer. Right. So as an advisor or as a chief administrative officer for a particular organization, I think in our own interest, it is good that we keep ourselves updated on the latest in terms of a compliance or regulatory directives time to time. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You do become a member of AIFM, because AIFM conducts workshops also on various topics, like you have in facility management itself, including compliances. So they keep on basically conducting such workshops. So hopefully we should see some.
I've already filled up the.
Right. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much for your feedback, and have a nice weekend, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.